you excited?
Yeah.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
Going fishing and drinking with friends.
Our friends invited us out sailing today. So we're, I think we're almost ready to go.
We are. I was just waiting for you. Oh, it worked well. All right.
Are Dingy so happy?
It's a happy thing. We're heading over to the McHale. They're right over there.
Are we on time?
I don't know.
Morning! Woo.
Good. I didn't know if we were on time, late, early. Who knows?
We're on music!
Woo-woo! Did you hear you guys are going to be famous?
We're already famous, I thought. What did Mikhail say?
It's like I've always wanted to win an Oscar. All right.
Oh, right, yeah.
Susan and Lauren.
For some reason, music's anchor chain has been getting twisted. So to pull up the anchor, Susan and I worked together. I pulled the anchor up with the windlass while she got down manually and untwisted the chain. We had to do this because if it goes onto the windlass twisted, it'll jump off of the windlass and just go right back into the water.
We're off. Looks good.
Looks awesome.
It was really nice sitting back and relaxing and watching how the two of them worked together.
Nice. Look at his teamwork.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on.
Doing nice action shots. Smile for the Oscar.
Yeah. Trying to maneuver.
There's Lauren.
Go.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. All right. So we're on Susan and Michaela's boat. They're beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Morgan. And here we're doing something kind of fun. Do you want to explain it, Ryan?
So we are making a mocktail out on the ocean. We're making this because Mikhail, who's currently manning the helm,
Hey. Okay.
used to have these when he was a kid. It's a Nigerian mocktail.
Mikhail's from Holland, but he spent time growing up in Nigeria. But it's a lemon lime type of drink with bitters,
Orange and lemon lime soda with bitters.
Yeah. So we did a little bit of digging and we figured out the drink is called a Chapman. And we're gonna try to make it and see if we can recreate.
Oh yeah, we're sailing. Definitely sailing. Decent bit of Agnes to your bitters. I'm almost ready with the drink if you guys want to give it the first try.
I have a question, trivia question. Do you know how the Chapman got its name?
No, not a clue.
Yeah, neither do we.
Well, looks like we all lose at trivia.
People drink only in Nigeria and they call it a Chapman. I don't know why. I really have
No idea why.
No idea.
But how old were you when you had it?
I was probably around 10, 11.
And does everyone drink it there?
A lot of people drink it, yeah. It's really like one of those staple. It used to be a British colony, Nigeria, and they had all sorts of cocktails here, but Chapman was standing out.
Drinks are ready. Look at that, babe.
I can't wait to see if it tastes like what Yuki thinks it's gonna taste like.
Yeah, me too. You want to hand them up inside?
Sure. Okay, it tastes what?
It tastes exactly like the original.
Really?
It does. It's the
Really?
bitter. It's the
Pretty good drink.
So listen to this. It's believed that the cocktail originated in Koi Club, Lagos, Nigeria. The drink was created by a bartender at the country club who was asked to make something special for his favorite customer named Chapman.
The Chapman, everybody. Woohoo! Cheers. I love that you're beware of the dog sign.
It turned out to be such good sailing weather. It was the perfect day, easy, lighthearted, lots of laughs, and looking back, I think it was exactly what we all needed.
Are we ready to catch something, Wayne? We're in Barracuda territory now.
Barracuda territory.
Absolutely.
This is where you catch the big ones.
If we catch now, it's going to be huge.
Huge.
You know that? Huge.
In case you were wondering, we didn't catch any fish. As we approached home, we were greeted by the most incredible, huge full moon peeking over the horizon. Anyway, we had an awesome time, and that's it, actually, for this week. I'd love to hear what you think of the drink if you try it, and as always, we will catch you next week.